Fiberglass doors are a popular choice for homeowners in Washington, D.C., seeking energy-efficient doors that offer both style and functionality. These doors are known for their durability and weather-resistant properties, making them ideal for the diverse climate of Washington, D.C. With a variety of fiberglass entry doors, Washington, D.C. color options, and door-style selections available, fiberglass doors can be customized to match any home's aesthetic. Entry door installation in Washington, D.C. is a crucial service for those looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and security. Professional door replacement services ensure that your new entry door is installed correctly, providing a seamless fit and optimal performance. Whether you're interested in custom fiberglass doors or insulated entry doors, expert installation is key to maximizing the benefits of your new door. Energy-efficient doors are a top priority for many Washington, D.C. residents looking to reduce their energy bills and improve their home's comfort. Insulated entry doors help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. By choosing energy-efficient doors, homeowners can enjoy long-term savings and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Custom fiberglass entry doors. Washington, D.C. offer homeowners the opportunity to create a unique entryway that reflects their personal style. With options for decorative glass doors and door hardware installation, the possibilities for customization are endless. Whether you prefer a modern front door design or a more traditional look, custom fiberglass doors can be tailored to meet your specific needs. Door replacement services in Washington, D.C. provide a convenient solution for updating your home's entryway. From durable entry doors to stylish entry doors, there are numerous exterior door options to choose from. Professional door frame installation ensures that your new door is securely fitted, enhancing both the appearance and security of your home. Front door design in Washington, D.C. is an important consideration for homeowners looking to make a lasting impression. With a wide range of fiberglass door trends to choose from, you can find a design that complements your home's architecture and enhances its overall appeal. From sleek modern designs to classic, timeless styles, there's a front door design to suit every taste. Durable entry doors are essential for withstanding the elements and providing long-lasting performance. In Washington, D.C., weather-resistant doors are particularly important due to the region's variable climate. Fiberglass entry doors, Washington, D.C., are designed to resist warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring they maintain their appearance and functionality over time. Weather-resistant doors in Washington, D.C. are a smart investment for homeowners looking to protect their property from the elements. These doors are engineered to withstand harsh weather conditions, providing a reliable barrier against wind, rain, and temperature fluctuations. By choosing weather-resistant doors, you can ensure your home remains comfortable and secure year-round. Decorative glass doors add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home's entryway. In Washington, D.C., homeowners can choose from a variety of glass designs to enhance their front door's appearance. Whether you prefer intricate patterns or simple, understated designs, decorative glass doors can elevate your home.